Hello programmer, welcome back to another JavaScript tutorial. In a previous tutorial, we have learned about while loop, and this tutorial is about do while loop. In a while loop, we test the condition. If the condition is true, we run this code and repeat it until the condition remains true. But in do while loop, first we start by do. Then inside a body, we write a code which we want to repeat. At last, we check the condition by using while. Then inside a parenthesis, we write a condition. Here in a while loop, as its name said, do while means first it runs this code no matter the condition is true or false. Then it checks the condition. If the condition is true, and again it runs this code. And this loop will break when the condition is false. Now make a counter variable where x equal to 10. Then inside the body, write some code which you want to execute. Document dot write. Then use a variable x and write I am hungry. Then we increment the value of x so that the loop can repeat the execution for a finite number. Now at the end, we give a condition on while x is less than 15. Now save this. Oh, I think I need to write bear also. And we got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, I am hungry. It is a do while loop, so first it runs the code from do, then check the condition. Is 11 is lesser than 15? Yes, the condition is true, and again it runs this code. Whenever this code is run, the value of x also increase, and the value of x goes from 10 to 14. When it reaches to 15, it checks the condition. Is 15 is lesser than 15? No, 15 is equal to 15. So the condition is false and the loop is stopped. So it does not print 15, I am hungry. Now let's try with different value. And we got 20, I am hungry. Now let's see why we got this. First it go through do and print 20, I am hungry. Then check the condition. Is 21 is lesser than 15? No, 21 is greater than 15. So the condition false and the loop is stopped. So even the condition is false, it run the code for one time. But if we do the same thing with while loop, then it does not going to print this because while loop tests the condition first. And this much for this tutorial. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.